Good evening, my dear students. In continuation of my last lecture regarding matrix method, I am going to solve few questions using matrix method. Here, first question is solve the system of equations by matrix method. Here, the system of equation is first equation twice x plus y plus z is equal to 1, second equation x minus twice y minus z is equal to 3 by 2, and third equation is 3y minus 5z is equal to 9. Here y x is not there, you can write 0 into x. Okay. Now this solution of this, how to find the solution? First you reduce or convert this equation into matrix form. The matrix form of the system of equation is what? Ax is equal to b. It should be reduced in this form. What is A? A is the coefficient matrix. It is called coefficient matrix to get from the coefficient of x, y, z in three equations. Now what is A? You see in the first equation coefficient 2, 1, 1. You get first row. Second equation से क्या मिल रहा है? 1 minus 2 minus 1. You get the second row. And third equation, there is no x. The coefficient is 0. So 0, 3 minus 5. And x is always representing what? X is always representing that is your solution matrix, and B is equal to what? The column matrix 1, 3 by 2, 9, which we get from the right hand side, the constant of every equation, right hand side of the equations. Okay. Now in matrix method, what is the rule? First you have to find the determinant of A and check whether determinant of A equal to 0 or not. If it is non-zero, then you can apply matrix method. If determinant of A equal to 0, then you cannot apply matrix method. Okay, you cannot apply matrix method. Now your coefficient matrix is this. We get now determinant of A equal to determinant of A, and if you expand this determinant, I am not going to explain here. I think you all know how to expand the determinant of order 3. So if you expand this determinant, you will get 34, and which is a non-zero quantity. Since determinant of A not equal to 0, therefore A inverse क्या है? Exist होगा. Now from the equation Ax is equal to B, if you pre-multiplying both side by A inverse, since A inverse exists, so I am multiplying both side by A inverse, pre-multiplying. So A inverse Ax is equal to A inverse B. So A inverse A after associative law यूज़ करने के बाद A inverse A is equal to क्या होगा? I हो जाएगी, and Ix is equal to क्या होगा? X होगा, and finally you get X is equal to what? A inverse B. Okay, you get X is equal to what? A inverse B. Okay, now your job is to find A inverse. To find A inverse, you must know the adjoint. You know the formula. A inverse is equal to what? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So you already get that is determinant of A. Now your job is to find the adjoint of A. To find the adjoint of A, you must know the cofactors. And to find the cofactor, your first statement should be, you have to mention Aij be the cofactors of small aij in determinant of A. That means whatever be the elements in the determinant of A, every element is represented by Aij type, and its cofactor are represented by capital Aij type. Okay. Now A11, to find the cofactor of first row, it is very easy. You remember that you have to go to this particular line. Here you get 10 plus 3 minus 5 and 3. This will be the cofactor of the first row. So A11 is what? 13. How to get this? See, if you consider this determinant, eliminate this row and this column, you will get these 4 elements. If you multiply 10 plus 3, 10 plus 3, minus minus plus, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, and 1 plus 1, it is an even number, and therefore result is 13. Second, you see how minus 5. If you find the cofactor of this element, eliminate this row and this column, you are getting these 4 elements. So minus 5 plus 0, माइनस 5 मिल रहा है. माइनस 5 तो आ रहा है वहाँ से, और 1 प्लस 2 इज़ वॉट, तो क्या हो गया? अनदर माइनस आएगा. फॉर्मूला क्या था हमें, आप लोगों को शायद पता होगा. फार्मूला इज़ ए आई जे इक्वल टू व्हाट, minus 1 whole to the power I plus j into mij. These are the minor. Okay, these are the minor of the first row, and just multiplying by extra these things. When it is odd, result is odd, result minus. When it is result is even, the result is positive. Okay, positive sign आएगा mij के पहले. ठीक है. So to find the cofactor of this element, you eliminate this, you will getting this formula 3 plus 0. So you are getting this on, and you see 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, which is even. The result is what? Positive. So I think you can do, you can find the cofactor of other row also easily. Already you understand, you have solved many problems, so I am not going to explain and wasting my time. So this is the cofactor of every element of the determinant. Now what is the adjoint of A? We know what is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is the transpose of cofactor matrix. Transpose of cofactor matrix. How to get the cofactor matrix? First row of the original matrix is replaced by its cofactor. And every element, that means every element of the matrix is replaced by its corresponding cofactor. So first row का जितना element है उसका cofactor से replace कर दिया, second row को कर दिया, third row को कर दिया. I hope you already know this. And then take transpose. When you take transpose, row becomes what? Columns. Interchange हो जाएगा, and finally you get this is the adjoint of the matrix. You get the adjoint of the matrix. Now coming with the equation number 2. Equation 2 से क्या मिल रहा है? Your job is to find x. That means you have to find x, y, z solution matrix. X is equal to what? A inverse b. X is equal to what? A inverse b. So what is A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now what is determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to 34. So 1 by 34, and adjoint of A you get from this here. This is the adjoint of A, and this is B from the equations. Already system of equations से आप लोगों को मिल गया. Now we multiply this. First row, first column. 13 into 1, 13. 8 into 3 by 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 3 कितना होगा? 12 होगा. 1 into 9 plus 9 होगा. Next, first row, first column complete. Then second row, first column. Second row, first column. 5 into 1, 5. Minus 10 into 3 by 2, 2 and minus 10 cancel हो गया. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15, and 3 into 9, 27. And similarly you get the third row also. And finally, if you calculate, you are getting the column matrix, that is called 34, 17 and 51. अभी आप लोगों को क्या करना है? 1 by 34 should be inside to the matrix. When a constant can inside to the matrix, what happen? It will multiply to every elements. So 1 by 34 into 1 by 34 1 होगा. 1 by 34 into 17 is equal to half. 1 by 34 into 51. 51 by 34 is equal to what? 3 by 2. So your solution matrix is this one, X, and finally these both are column matrix. Okay, both are column matrix of order 3 by 1. Okay, finally comparing the corresponding elements, you will get x is equal to 1, y equal to half, z is equal to what? 3 by 2. This is your solutions. Now after getting the value of x, y, z, after getting the value of what? X, y, z, this is your solution matrix. Comparing these two, x is equal to 1, y equal to half, z is equal to what? 3 by 2. So this is your final result. Okay, so after getting the value of x, what to do? You have to put the value of x, y, z in any two equations in system of equations, and check whether this value satisfy the equation or not. If this value satisfies any two equation, that means your answer is correct. Otherwise it is wrong. So students, this particular questions are very easy, but what are the problems? Majority of the students will do mistake in the questions. उन लोगों का क्या होता है? गलती हो जाती है because of what? टू फाइंड द कोफैक्टर्स. कोफैक्टर में प्लस माइनस में गलती हो जाती है, या मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में गलती करने के बाद उनका रिजल्ट गलती हो जाती है. तो इसीलिए आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस होके अच्छे से कंसंट्रेशन करके ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है. एंड व्हेन यू गेट द फाइनल रिजल्ट, यू हैव टू चेक योर रिजल्ट इन एनी टू इक्वेशंस. इफ एनी टू इक्वेशंस आर सेटिस्फाइड, then you are confirmed that your result is correct. Hope that I make you understand this problem. Okay, next I am going to solve another questions in my next video, because I am not going to make lengthy my that is because you cannot that is download the video. It will be difficult for me to upload in the YouTube. So hope you understand, and in my next video I am going to solve 2 questions, and if you solve all these 3-4 questions, you can understand how to solve the system of linear equation by matrix method. It will be very easy for you, and it is also squaring, always asked in the final examination. Thank you very much. Thank you.